Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. David and I enjoy our wings and can have them a couple of times a month. Now because of that, we created many different sauce recipes so we don't have the same one all the time. I already posted a few of them, like my triple chili, mango chipotle, my famous smoky buffalo, teriyaki, and others. In this video, I'm sharing another finger-licking sauce for your wings. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my bacon jam wings. Hey, it's all about the sauce. Smoky, salty, and sweet, this is an incredible recipe. Although it complements poultry very well, it can be used with other proteins or vegetables. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, we'll add the bacon jam. Now it looks like this because it was stored in the fridge. And we'll also add chicken broth. We'll set the heat on medium and whisk until the ingredients are well combined. We'll bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for 25 minutes or until the sauce has reduced considerably, about half. So we'll reduce the heat to medium-low, and to this we'll add maple syrup, some smoked paprika, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. We'll whisk well and let the sauce cook down for another 15 minutes or until the desired consistency. We'll remove from the heat and pour the sauce over the wings, toss before adding more, and voila, it's done. And my friends, this is our bacon jam wings. Smoky, sweet, and salty all at the same time. OMG. If you love bacon, and who doesn't? This is an amazing wing sauce. Besides using it for poultry, it pairs very well with other proteins like pork, beef, etc. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!